Hey Gym family, welcome back to German in Minutes. Gym, if you want to learn German and use it to work, live, or build a career in Germany, this video gives you a detailed, realistic, step by step plan you can follow right now from A1 all the way to work and life in Germany. Stay until the end. I'll break down real costs, language levels you need for jobs, and how German skills actually change your earning opportunities. German language skill isn't just about survival, it's about opportunity. Even though you can find some jobs with only English, most good jobs in Germany require strong German skills. With B1 or B2 German, you open doors to better pay, real career growth, and permanent residence paths. A1 lets you communicate basic phrases. A2 helps with simple work, daily life, daily conversations. B1 and above makes real jobs possible, especially professional or customer facing roles. You'll see later how this matters for real money. Step 1. Reach German A1. That takes around 1 or 2 months. A1 German is the beginner level. It gets you talking about basic things: name, where you live, your family, your schedule, ordering food, simple questions. So, what you should master at A1 are: number one, introductions; number two, basic questions like wie geht's; number three, everyday vocabularies like greetings, numbers, foods; 4. Present tense plus simple sentence structure. These are the basic grammars. So this is exactly where your GYM, which is German in minutes, A1 speaking PDF helps, because you practice the exact phrases you need. How long? Most learners talk about 60 to 150 hours to complete A1. Step 2, progress to A2 and B1. That takes 3 to 8 months. After A1, you move to A2, then B1. This is where the world opens up. You start understanding real conversations, you expand vocabulary, and you practice complex phrases. At A2, shopping and transport vocab, everyday interactions, talking about your job or studies. At B1, longer conversations, job interviews, reading signs or emails or instructions. This is a tip from German in minutes. Don't rush. Consistent practice. Let's jump to step 3. Step 3, practice real German. That takes around 8 to 12 months. By the time you reach B1, you should be able to understand basic workplace conversations, have interviews, communicate with colleagues, and even work while studying German more deeply. Many students who reach B1 start finding More students who reach B1 start finding jobs like retail assistant, supermarket cashier, cafe staff, customer support. These jobs often pay around 12 to 15 euro per hour, and knowing German makes you much more competitive. How German helps you earn more? Here's the big truth: German skills directly impact your earning ability in Germany. Without German, limited a limited to low pay work where English helps only sometimes. With German A2 or B1, you can earn around 12 to 15 euro per hour and access a broader job market. With B1 or B2, even higher jobs like call center, retail, leadership, healthcare support, or skilled work. If someone works 20 hours per week at $14 per hour, that's about 1,120 euro per month income before taxes. That's real cash for living expenses. This is why thousands study German, not just for language, but for income and life transformation. Visa costs and financial planning. Now let's talk about numbers, because this is another part people worry about. For language study or visa applications, You must show financial proof, something called a blocked account or Sperrkonto. This means you deposit a fixed amount of money before applying. Typical costs: number one, blocked account deposit. That's around from 11,208 to 11,904 euro. Visa fee 75 to 100 euro. Health insurance 80 to 120 per month. Accommodation plus living cost 800 to 1,000 euro per month. These are common requirements for many study or work visas, especially if you don't already have a job sponsor. Work and career paths. Germany also offers paths like Ausbildung or vocational training where you work and learn. In Ausbildung, you train and earn. You start salary from 800 to 1,000 euro per month. Over time, the payment gets higher. After training, you get full jobs and possible residence permits. You can also work part-time as a student while learning German. Another way to earn and improve language simultaneously. So that's the roadmap from zero German to real jobs in Germany, broken down step by step. If this helped you, smash like and subscribe to German in Minutes or Jim for more real advice. And don't forget, join my free Telegram German in Minutes and get your A1 speaking PDF. Practical sentences for real life. Links are in the description. Tschüss.